Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to run setup in your MRDCL Central. Run setup file will compile and execute the setup file. This will generate the desired output files including tables. Where possible, all run control parameters needed should be placed in control stage. To run setup, press Run Setup button and this will automatically run the setup file without a prompt RCP dialog window. The generated output files, log listing report, table of contents, and tables can be viewed directly from MRDCL Central. Users can also view the report CSV table, .csv, and table.xlx report indexer by clicking the buttons and report and table tabs respectively. If necessary, it is also possible to prompt RCPs by enabling it to settings. Once enabled, this will enable the user to set RCP before the run. However, control stage RCP take precedence over prompt RCPs. MRDCL Central has similar status as MRDCL Classic, but in MRDCL Central, user can easily identify the status of the setup file. Process run failed also has similar status as CL run failed and aborted. Run batch status uses similar status color as run status.